Nollywood actress Biodun Okeowo, popularly known as Omoboti, has officially tied the knot in a legal wedding ceremony, following her traditional marriage earlier this year. The joyous occasion coincided with her birthday, creating a truly unforgettable celebration. Omoboti shared stunning photos from the event on Instagram, radiating happiness and gratitude. She emphasized that all protocols were duly observed, both traditionally and legally, and described this union as her first and last marriage. The actress expressed heartfelt thanks to God for the blessing of her new journey. Her fans and colleagues flooded her comment section with congratulatory messages, celebrating this significant milestone in her life.